welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm excited to be undoing an unboxing of the Totwoo connected bracelets. These are bracelets that connect to an app, and then you and your partner, your spouse, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or even just a friend each wear one, and you can send a little nudge to each other through the bracelet to let them know you're thinking about you. So this is going to be an unboxing. I have two sets. I have this set and that set, so I'm going to unbox them all just so you can see some of the different styles. And we're going to start by looking at the packaging. You can see I love the colors and just the packaging, very nice. And so when you order in pairs. You also get a nice gift bag. So because one is obviously going to be for you. Well, maybe you're buying these for a gift for a couple, but if you're buying these like for your spouse, to give one to your spouse and keep one, you can put the one you're giving to them in a little gift bag. So you do get that. That's nice. And the packaging is really cool as well. So let's open the first one up and take a look at the bracelet and what comes in the box. Just really quick, you can see you get some like welcome information in the box, and then down below this you get batteries. So you get 5 batteries that are in here, which is great. You also get your instruction manual that tells you how to set this all up in the app and all that good stuff. And you get the little I don't know what you call those things, but that's what you're going to use in order to open it up in order to get the battery in there. So everything you need is in there, and really great packaging, and it's awesome that they include that many batteries in there so that you can keep this going for a long time. So I'm going to put that back in there because that's that. And aside from that, you're going to want to just see some of the different styles. And so we're going to take a look at this first style, and you can see here it's got this little, there, we'll peel that off so we can see it really clearly. And this one is a nice sun pattern, and it's got this really cool cord. This is a nice cord, and then you've got your link here so that you can make this as long or as short as you want. There's the link for that. You can see you can hook that wherever you want to make it as long or short as you want. And then you have, this is the cord that comes with it. Very nice looking cord, and would work well for a man or a woman. And then you can see how that cord just sort of wraps around the base there to hold it in place. And so the battery is inside of there. And so that's style number 1. Let's put this one back in the box and then take a look at style number 2. And again, these two came in a pair together. Everything is going to be the same in this box. You're welcome, your batteries, all that good stuff. But here's the style. So this particular pair might be good for a male, female, depending on, style. This one has sort of that, jeweled look to it, and instead of being black, it's like that rose gold and has the moon and a star. And then you can see the band there is like a rose gold color as well. Nice beautiful jewel around it. You've got that same, how the band wraps around the base, the same adjustable clasps there on the bottom. Sure you can see what that looks like. There you go. So it's just a clasp, so you can adjust it to be as whatever length you need it to be. So really beautiful combo, same style but different colors. You got the black and then you got the rose gold. You might think by default the rose gold would be for a woman and the black would be for a man, but you can do either or. There are guys that like rose gold and jeweled things too, right? And that's just fine. Now this other set is different style, and this one might be great for not only a male-female couple, but maybe a same-sex couple as well. This is one of these. This one is the mountains, and you can see you've got like a silver look and the mountains, and then the band is more of a rope band. Set that down. Focus in there. So you can see you got mountains with the stars, and it's kind of a silver look. And then you've got this nice rope, simple rope band. and then it adjusts just by pulling it out and then pulling it to the length you want it to be. And then it has those nice little ends to give it kind of a polished look. So that is a really cool look. And then to go with that, you have this other one. And this one is also going to be a black rope band, but it's going to be with the ocean. So it's like the mountains and the ocean partnering together. Hold that off so you can see how cool that looks and how good that looks. And again, you've got that nice black rope band. Now these are not the only patterns and or colors that these come in. They do have other colors. I think they have like a brown rope band. I think they have a couple of different designs of the faces as well. So the ones I'm showing you, these are just 4 of the designs, but they do have other designs in other colors. So if these, you like the idea of them, but you're looking for a slightly different design or band, then definitely check them out because they have different ones that are available. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just so you could see them close up and see what comes in the box. Again, you buy them in 2s, you buy them in pairs, so you would get the 2 bracelets that you choose, as well as you get the batteries, and you get the little instruction manual. All that stuff is what is in there. And that is going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to this playlist or favorite my channel so you can keep up with future product reviews. And I will be doing a follow-up review of this in action so you can see how these work to connect to each other and connect, allow you to send little messages to your partner, or husband or wife or boyfriend, girlfriend, or friend. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.